Have you ever wondered why some people become successful while others, no matter how hard they try, remain stuck in the same place for years? Is it luck? Is it talent? Or is it something deeper? Something within the mind? Today, we are going to uncover the psychology of success, not theories, not motivational cliches, but the real mental patterns that shape winners and hold others back. If you're ready to break limits and unlock your full potential, stay with me to the end. Success doesn't start with money. It doesn't start with opportunities. It starts with a mindset. Two people can face the same problem. One sees an obstacle, the other sees a challenge. One asks, "Why is this so difficult?" The other asks, "How can I solve this?" This difference in thinking is what separates those who grow from those who stay stuck. Winners think in terms of possibilities. Others think in terms of limitations. Psychologists call this the growth mindset, a mind that learns, adapts, experiments, and improves, even when it fails. On the opposite side is the fixed mindset, a mind that fears mistakes, avoids discomfort, and waits for the right moment, a moment that never comes. Think about it. Every successful person you know once started with zero. They didn't have confidence. They built it through action. They didn't know everything. They learned through experience. Success begins the second you decide to grow instead of fear change. People often imagine success as one big event, a breakthrough moment, a lucky opportunity. But in reality, success is built inside everyday habits. Small choices repeated thousands of times. Reading 20 pages a day doesn't seem life-changing, but it's over 7,000 pages in a year. Practicing a skill for 30 minutes doesn't feel dramatic, but 1 year later, you're unrecognizable. Improving just 1% every day may sound small, yet mathematically, you become 37 times better in 1 year. Not by magic, not by motivation, but by micro-progress, step by step. Success is slow in the beginning. It's invisible. It feels like nothing is changing, but inside, your brain is rewiring. Your discipline is forming, your mindset is transforming, and one day, the results become visible to everyone. So if success is possible, why do so many people never reach it? Because the enemy is not outside. It lives inside the mind. Fear of failure, overthinking, procrastination, waiting to feel ready. Most people wait for motivation, but motivation doesn't come before action. It comes after you start. You don't need to feel confident to begin. You become confident by beginning. You don't need perfect conditions to start. You start and conditions become better with time. The secret is simple. Winners act. Others wait. Failing is not the opposite of success. Failing is part of success. Every attempt teaches you something the previous one didn't. Success is not random. It follows a formula. A very simple one. Success equals direction plus discipline plus psychology. Direction, a clear goal. Not just dreams, measurable, written, specific. Discipline, doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. Psychology, controlling your emotions, building habits, thinking long-term. Grab a notebook and write 3 things. What do I want to achieve? Why do I want it? What daily action gets me there? A goal without a daily system is just a wish. But a goal with a system becomes progress, and progress becomes momentum. Momentum becomes success. The mind shapes behavior. Behavior shapes habits. Habits shape your future. So remember, success is not luck. It's not talent. It's psychology in action. Your mind is your greatest tool. Train it, feed it knowledge, challenge it, push it beyond comfort. If you change your thinking, you change your life. And if you want more videos on business psychology, personal growth, habits, and mindset, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and stay with us on this journey of growth. This is Mind to Market, where ideas become progress. See you in the next video. Prepare the visuals for the whiteboard video of this scenario.